Why is Gukesh's win against Magnus Carlsen such a big deal? Yes, it's his first classical win against a so-called king, but that's just the surface. Because this isn't just about the chessboard. This is about history, bias, and the quiet fury of a boy who refuses to break. Let's talk facts. Every record that Magnus had, Gukesh has been breaking them one by one. Youngest player to reach candidates, Gukesh. Youngest to win it, again Gukesh. And now, he beats Magnus in classical, the purest format of the game. But do you know how much racism and condescension Gukesh has silently endured all this while? Magnus regularly comes late for his game, and he's glorified for it. So cool, so alpha. And Gukesh shows up early in a suit and gets mocked for it. Magnus drops arrogant tweets like, "You come at the king, you better not miss." Gukesh is always silent, humble, no theatrics, no flexing. And on the official Norway chess account, the top comments are always racist against Gukesh and mock his smell. Yes, his smell. Pure racism, but Norway chess loves them and refuses to take them down. Hikaru Nakamura, another top player, actually declared the game over and said Magnus won even before it was even finished. That's how badly they want Gukesh to fall. But what happened? Gukesh saw the king fumble and he defended with cold precision and he won. Now here's where it gets truly poetic. How did Magnus react? He slammed the table, he stormed off, and he threw a tantrum. And the world media actually loves his hissy fits. This is very normal for him. But just imagine the global racist meltdown if an Indian kid did that. So how did Gukesh react? He was calm, graceful, just silence. No theatrics. And his silence roared louder than any hissy fit. And in that silence, Gukesh became the symbol of this new India. Not one that waits for global approval, not one that craves the West's permission, but one that works quietly, focuses fiercely, and lets results speak. Magnus called himself the king, but in his humility, Gukesh quoted Tywin Lannister.
I am the king!
Any man who must say, "I am the king," is no true king.